If you have gray hair like me, and you obviously want to have your hair looking a little bit darker, I recommend you use this product. There are 4 basic principles that stand behind this product. Number 1, you have no orange results. In other words, your hair is not going to be tinted after you use this product. You don't have to use any gloves or any special application. It's very, very easy to use, and you will have a natural look. Second thing, it's hypoallergenic, which means that it's very, very good. It's not going to attack your skin. It's not going to attack, if you have a tendency to have some allergies or anything, this will not be in the way. This is a very safe product to use. And third, this is not something that's going to stain your skin as well. Sometimes when you buy products that you use to stain your hair or to dye your hair, this is not the case. This has absolutely no staining properties whatsoever. And fourth, it is completely free of harsh chemicals, which means it's a safe product to use. Simply apply about the size of a silver dollar on your palm and apply the product directly to your hair when it is dry. It cleans, it conditions, and it darkens. So you use it like you use your shampoo every single day. I hope you use this product. I do, I enjoy it, and I'm getting fantastic results.